So this is the Dham Prabhav, the Shakti of the Dham. It's unlimited. It says in the Mathura Mahatmyam, Rupa Goswami is quoting that Purana. It says that Marana Krita Mamalayam. I quoted that verse the other day on the home program. Marakrita Mamalayam, said Vrindavan Dham. If someone dies in Braj Mandal, and they die, Marakrita, if it happens that they die, then Mamalayam, they come to me. And Bhagavan Sri Krishna is speaking, not Vaikuntanath. Come to me means they go to Goloka Vrindavan. And maybe not this life or next life, but guarantee that promise is there. That's very special because of the Dham. No dying anywhere else, this promise is not there. Bhagavan is certifying that, guaranteeing that. This birth you'll go directly. If you have prem, you'll go to Krishna's Leela. Or next life, it's guaranteed. Even if you're a dacoit or a gunda, whatever you are, you die here. Eventually, you'll take birth, and then either every birth you'll take birth in Vrindavan, this Boma Vrindavan. Not Boma Vrindavan. Let's say this Prakat Vrindavan, and then eventually, during each of those births, your samskars and chitta will become purified, and eventually you'll find Guru, and you'll start doing sadhana bhakti, and you'll attain prema, then you go to Goloka. But if all that was happening in Moscow or Delhi or Perth or New York, you wouldn't go. I mean, you go to prema. Eventually, if you have prema, you go wherever you die. You go to Krishna. But this is definitely going to happen very soon. That's what Gurudev said. He said, yes, he will surely go. If not this life, next life, very soon. Because that promise is not there anywhere else in Shastra, that if you die in Delhi. It's a fact if you have Krishna Prema, wherever you're doing bhajan, if you die in Prema, in Ragmarg, then if you die in Prema, doing bhajan, Vaidhi Marg, you go to Vaikuntha. If you die in Prema and Raganuga Marg, which means you have a Sthai Rati, and you're following the gopis or gopas or mother and father, then you go to Goloka, Boma Vrindavan. You get your Siddha Swarup there. So this is, again, I'm saying this to illustrate the extraordinary, inconceivable, unlimited power of the holy Dham, Brajadham, Navarit Dham.